From the Yamuna to the Chandrabhaga, all rivers are holy. But what they have in common is not just their holiness. It's the fact that they are sadly so polluted. When we go to all of these holy places like Pandharpur, Vrindavan Dham, we have to see that Sri Krishna, Lord Vithala themselves, they are walking on these banks. They are enacting their leelas here. And so how can we just disrespectfully throw our trash? People stand in line for hours to get darshan of Vithala, but what they don't really recognize is that Vithala is here. Savatha Mali, a great saint of Pandharpur, believed that Vithala was in the vegetables, he was in the nature. The same way that we should be treating the nature around us, we need to treat them like Lord Vithala themselves, and to clean. So, we're waiting for you. Come join us every month, and let's clean India together.